Good day everyone. Good day sir. My name is Kaidel Isman.
My name is Dinel Bon D. Blanco.
My name is James G. Blanco, BSIT Auto 101A. This is our end semestral project and pre-final examination on basic occupational health and safety engineering.
We're going to report about Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center.
This is the content of our report in Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center. Number 1, demographics. Number 2, housekeeping. Number 3, material handling. Number 4, hotel storage. Number 5, fire safety. Number 6, electrical safety. And number 7, occupational health. And number 8, observation and solution. Demographics. At this Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center can accommodate a maximum of 10 to 15 people, and also 40-60 people come and go every day. Ang Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center ay kayang mag-accommodate ng 10 to 15 na katao, kaya naman nila ay 40 to 60 kada araw. Population by age and gender group. The Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center has no required age and all client to allow who needs a health service. 1, 2, 3, go. In Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center, they accept any patient who needs medical service.
Housekeeping. A. This Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center follows the different 5S. They show the properly organize their tools, equipment, and their documents. Also their cleanliness areas. This center ay nagpapakita ng kanilang kalinisan sa buong areas ng kanilang center at nagpapakita ito ng iba't ibang uri ng 5S at pinapanatili nila ang kalinisan ng areas at sa CR na maging malinis at maayos ito tignan. B. They implement those 5S by maintaining it every day for them to avoid mistakes and misplace the important things in their clinic. Most especially, they need to be extra careful. They are making labels also, which is one of the important matters in the laboratory. They also implement the proper waste segregation in their clinic. The clinic looks so tight and clean, and the floors are shiny also. Mine-maintain nila ang 5S every day para maiwasan ang pagkawala ng kanilang mga gamit na kakailanganin sa mga pasyente. So, pinapahalagahan nila na nakaset in order ang kanilang mga dokumento at mga equipment sa kanilang clinic. Two, housekeeping. Sort or sayri. They are keeping only the materials needed to complete the task. Yeah. Ito daw yung paglalagay ng mga items na malapit sa iyo para mabilis mong magawa yung mga kailangan mong gawin sa pasyente. Kung kakailanganin mo ba ng halimbawa ay injection, dapat ay nasa malapit lang at madali siyang kunin at naka-organize ito. Set in order or Satan. They organize the equipment in a designated place. Sa Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center, yung nakikita niyo sa picture, naka-organize sila yung mga gamit nila, yung mga dokumento na nakaayon sa place na dapat paglalagyan ito. Shine or say so. They maintain the cleanliness in the areas. Sa Sa Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center, nakikita naman na yung kalinisan nila ay pinapanatili nila kahit sa CR, sa labas. At makikita natin na yung kalinisan na para hindi mapahamak yung mga pasyente o kahit sila. Ganun. Standardized or seiketsu. They always wear uniforms in the workplace. Ang lahat ng empleyado nandun ay nakasuot ng mga uniform sa kanilang duty, at kapag may pasyente, hindi nila pinapayagan na walang mask yung pasyente nila bago pumasok. At kapag kinakausap nila ito, naka-proper uniform sila, naka-face mask at naka-gloves para maiwasan din yung paghahawa nila. Sustain or Shitsuke. They maintain and continuously improve the standard set of the first 4 steps. Ito daw yung kabuuan ng 5S na sinasagawa ng Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center. At ito daw yung pagpapanatili nila ng kalinisan para ma-improve pa nila lalo yung 5S nila sa kada araw na darating, at mas dapat nilang panatilihin ito para maiwasan yung mga aksidente na mangyayari sa kanilang workplace.
Number 3, material handling. A. Lifting guidelines. Get as close to the load as possible. Try to keep your elbows and arms close to your body. Get a good handhold and do not twist while lifting. They are less likely to suffer from back sprain, muscle pulls, wrist injuries, elbow injuries, spinal injuries, and other injuries caused by lifting heavy objects. 3. Material handling. B. Manually powered handling. Manually powered handling they use in lifting, lowering, pushing, pulling, carry, and transfer a load. To prevent workplace injuries, illnesses, and deaths, as well as the suffering and financial hardship these events can cause for workers, their families, and employers. Surgery bed. Support patients during surgery and adjust their positions according to the needs of the operations, allowing medical staff to perform surgery better. Injections. Generally administer aid medication as a bolus dose, but can also be used for continuous drug administrations. Purifier. Removes contaminants from room's air to enhance the quality of the air. Number 3, material handling. Letter D. Proper handle, clean and disinfect patient care equipment and instrument. Clean and disinfect the environment appropriately. To prevent workplace injuries, illnesses, and deaths, as well as the suffering and financial hardship these events can cause for workers, their families, and employers.
Material storage. This clinic have a clean and proper material organization. They have only one fire exit and have 2 window ventilation.
Fire safety. Letter A. As of now, the Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center has no smoke detector and fire alarm. Therefore, it's going to be their problem in their establishment that they need to look up. Kailangan nilang i-look up na magkaroon ng fire alarm at smoke detector para aware sila kung sakali mang may sunog.
Letter B. In case of fire outbreak, they have 2 fire extinguisher for the clinic.
One of the needs in case of fire outbreak is having a fire extinguisher. Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center have a 2 fire extinguisher, which is good for fire outbreak.
Letter C. One of their protocols in case of fire outbreak, use the fire exit immediately, then use the fire extinguisher properly together with its proper usage.
Fire safety C. One of the important things to know ay alam ng mga empleyado kung paano gamitin ng tama ang fire extinguisher at kung saan ang tamang daan palabas in case of fire outbreak.
Letter D. All of the employees in the clinic are undergo a training about safety, most especially on what is proper handling of fire extinguisher, first aid in case of burning.
Isa sa pinakakailangan ng lahat ng empleyado ay ang pagkakaroon ng proper training about fire safety. At gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat may knowledge sila kung paano gamitin ang fire extinguisher in case of outbreak.
The Cheng Medical and Diagnostic Center has a proper electrical safety. They have a case breaker for quickly electric shutdown in case of a electrical problem, and the wires is properly attached to a wall and covered with molding to prevent wires from being cut. They have a case breaker, so if their wires have a problem, they can easily shut down the electricity, and the advantage is that their wires have molding to prevent them from cutting.
7. Occupational health. Letter A. The common health that the workers encounter in the nature of work is having cough and colds that they get from the patients. The encounter of the workers in their nature of work is infection of having a cough and colds. So they take double care not to get a serious illness.
Letter B. Workers in the clinic are always wear their face mask and gloves when talking to their patients, and they won't let them in if patients doesn't have a face mask. It is said that the workers do not allow the patient to enter without a face mask to prevent the spread or infection of any sick.
7. Occupational health. See, the employers in this clinic get benefits in health issues like free medicine and check-up, and also they treat like a family. They assist their workers in giving benefits na makakatulong sa kanilang workers.
Observation and solution. No fire alarm and smoke detector. Solution. Putting at least one of these material. And be aware.
Be aware. Kinakailangan din natin, syempre, maging handa kung may sunog man at maging aktibo at hindi magpanik at mag-isip ng maayos upang makagawa ng aksyon.
8. Observation and solution. No proper case of fire extinguisher. Put on cover of fire extinguisher. Put it in a proper place where it will not be bumped. Kailangan lagyan ng case ang fire extinguisher para hindi ito masagi na pwedeng maging sanhi ng hindi nito paggana ng maayos kapag ginamit na ito.